6 p.m. Prime coming to you live from the national capital. We are right now at Rajpath, the India Gate right behind me. India, which is a democracy, India, which is proud to be, in fact, a democracy for the last almost 75 years now. Today, the fight was whether people can protest or not. The Prime Minister, in a very, very scathing attack today, hit out at the opposition. We'll talk all about what happened in the Parliament today. But before that, I want to bring your focus to what the Prime Minister said to the farmers. He spoke to the farmers from the Rajya Sabha. It's been 75 days of, more than 75 days of protests which are taking place at the borders of the national capital. The Prime Minister today appealed to the farmers to withdraw their protests and come ahead for talks. Speaking in the Rajya Sabha, Modi said small farmers are at the center of all central policies and their apprehensions about something new are normal. He allayed their fears, saying MSP will always remain and work is underway to improve the conditions of the Agriculture Market Committee. Replying to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's olive branch, BKU, Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait said the government is confused as farmers are demanding a law on MSP. If there is no law, the corporates will cheat the farmers. He also added this protest is a movement of small farmers.
MSP है, MSP था, MSP रहेगा। समस्याओं का समाधान हम सबको मिलकर के करना होगा और मैं मानता हूं कि अब समय ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं करेगा। कोई भी हम कई कानून है, हर कानून में 2 साल 5 साल के बाद, कभी 2 महीने 2-3 महीने के बाद सुधार करते ही करते हैं। हम कोई स्टैटिक अवस्था में जीने वाले लोग थोड़े हैं जी। जब अच्छे सुझाव आते हैं तो अच्छे सुधार भी आते हैं और सरकार भी अच्छे सुझावों को, और सिर्फ हमारी नहीं, हर सरकार ने अच्छे सुझावों को स्वीकार किया। यही तो लोकतंत्र की परंपरा है और इसलिए अच्छा करने के लिए अच्छे सुझावों के साथ, अच्छे सुधारों की तैयारी के साथ हम सबको आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। मैं आप सबको निमंत्रण देता हूं, आइए हम देश को आगे ले जाने के लिए, कृषि क्षेत्र की समस्याओं का समाधान करने के लिए आंदोलनकारियों को समझाते हुए हमने देश को आगे ले जाना होगा। हो सकता है कि शायद आज नहीं तो कल जो भी यहाँ होगा, किसी न किसी को ये काम करना ही पड़ेगा। आज मैंने किया है, गालियां मेरे खाते में जाने दो, लेकिन इस अच्छा करने में आप जुड़ जाओ। बुरा हो मेरे खाते में, अच्छा हो आपके खाते में, आओ मिलकर के चले। और मैं लगातार, हमारे कृषि मंत्री जी लगातार किसानों से बातचीत कर रहे हैं, लगातार मीटिंगें हो रही हैं और अभी तक कोई तनाव पैदा नहीं हुआ है। एक दूसरे की बात को समझने का, समझाने का प्रयास चल रहा है और हम लगातार आंदोलन से जुड़े लोगों से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आप आंदोलन करना आपका हक है, लेकिन इस प्रकार से बुजुर्ग लोग वहाँ बैठे ये ठीक नहीं है। आप उनको सबको ले जाइए, आप आंदोलन को खत्म कीजिए। आगे बढ़ने के लिए मिल बैठ करके चर्चा करेंगे, रास्ता खुले है। ये सब हमने कहा है, मैं आज भी इस सदन से माध्यम से भी निमंत्रण देता हूँ।
अरे वे उलझा रहे, हमने कहा कि एमएसपी खत्म हो रहा। हमने ये कहा कि एमएसपी पे कानून बने, एमएसपी पे कानून बन जाएगा तो देश के किसानों को फायदा होगा। अब एमएसपी पे कानून नहीं है तो व्यापारी आधे में लूटता है उसको, ये कहा हमने।
Is the appeal of the Prime Minister cutting through as far as the protesting farmers are concerned? Because you heard Rakesh Tikait, but what are the farmers on the ground in Ghazipur at Singhu border? What are they saying? Listen in.
देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी ने राज्यसभा में किसान आंदोलन के बारे में कुछ बातें की हैं, अच्छी बात है। हम तो इसको चंगा शगन मानते हैं कि किसान आंदोलन जो 5 महीने से चल रहा है उस पर ध्यान देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी का गया है। हम दिल्ली में बैठे हैं, उनके बिल्कुल नजदीक बैठे हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से हम निम्रता से अपील करते हैं सभी किसान संगठनों की ओर से कि इस मसले के हल के लिए, किसानों की जानें बचाने के लिए, उसका इकोनॉमिक लॉस रोकने के लिए वो तुरंत इमीडिएटली मीटिंग बुलाएं, अपनी प्रधानगी में मीटिंग बुलाएं, किसानों का पक्ष हमदर्दी पूर्वक सुने तो इस मसले का हल निकलने में कोई बहुत ही देर नहीं लगेगी।
कानून बनावे, बाकी गारंटी ले ले और देश का प्रधानमंत्री हमारी तो पूरी आस्था है, भगवान ने सद्बुद्धि दी। 2 मिनट का काम है, भाई कानून गारंटी दे दे, तीनों जो अध्यादेश से खाली वापस ले ले, बात खत्म भाई सारी।
I'm being joined on the broadcast by Mr. Vijay Javandia. He's the founder member of the Shetkari Sangathan. We are also being joined by Gopal Krishna Agarwal of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Welcome, gentlemen. I want to first get a sense from both of you on the appeal made by the Prime Minister. Mr. Javandia, this is not the first time since the last 75 days of the protests on the borders of Delhi have taken place that the Prime Minister has reached out to the farmers. Do you think that the government is reaching out in the right earnest? Can the farmers now, in fact, move again, request for time for talks after the Prime Minister's latest appeal, sir?
I am thankful to Prime Minister that he has spoken about farmers' movement and farmers' problem. No doubt, we owe to him. My salute to him. But what he has said nothing new. If you listen to the speech in Banaras or his speeches here and there, he is repeating the same thing, nothing new. The most important thing is MSP, MSP hai or MSP rahegi. The problem is this, that was there. And what Rakesh Tikait has said rightly, why he is not saying that we will make it mandatory? As the MSP of sugarcane is mandatory, you must be knowing that recently the government of India has ordered all sugar mills not to sell sugar below MSP fixed by the government, 3,100 rupees. So there can be a MSP for sugar. Then why can't MSP be guaranteed by law for all crops? Just a minute. And three more important things he has said in speech. One about Lal Bahadur Shastri and C. Subramaniam. I thank him for that. But he has not said for what Lal Bahadur Shastri and C. Subramaniam has formed Commission for Agriculture Prices. Why they were announcing MSP at that time. And at that time, Mr. Agrawal must be knowing that there was a procurement price which was higher than MSP and less than market price. Now today nobody is talking about procurement price because MSP is also not available in market. Another thing he said about Manmohan Singh.
Let me.
Just a minute. Let me finish, sir. Just a minute.
Quickly, sir. Quickly.
Just one sentence. See, Manmohan Singh ji has said one market, one nation, I accept. But he was with me in 2006 in my village. And that time I asked him that if you increase support price, that support price will not be available in market and there is a need of intervention. And he accepted that. I can send you record. So Modi ji is using just his post, his prime minister's stature, and I am constantly saying most humbly, sir, please don't mislead the nation and mislead the farmers.
Gopal Krishna Agarwal, nothing new that the Prime Minister has offered to the farmers. This is something, as Mr. Javandia was saying, that the government and the Prime Minister have been repeatedly repeating. Why should the farmers take whatever the Prime Minister is saying on face value for the simple fact, sir, that this is the position of the government right from day one? Why should there be a movement forward if the things are stuck as they are?
Okay, the important point here is that we should understand that what today farmers, even Rakesh Tikait is saying, that MSP was there, is there and will be there, but we want it to be incorporated as a legal structure. This is a big change from their earlier stand. They were saying that these three laws have to be repealed because they will take away the MSP of the farmers. This everybody was telling. So if they think that it is the same thing, they wanted an assurance of MSP. The Prime Minister has given it on the floor of the House. They should be well assured and have sanctity, keep the sanctity of the Parliament House. So the thing is, now I would like to get a clarification from them. Is their demand for legal structure of MSP, or they want still the repeal of three laws? So that is what we have been telling. that your insistence on
Sir, I don't
repeal
know.
of 3 laws...
Sir, I don't know whether you have been constantly following what Rakesh Tikait and others have been saying. There have been two simple demands. One is a legal framework for MSP and rollback of the 3 laws. It's not something new that they have introduced, but I now want to move on to a very important issue that the Prime Minister also raised today.
You have to give me time. Ankit,
you
have to give me time.
I will give you time, sir.
No,
sir,
Ankit, you have not
it's the Prime Minister of India. We are
30-40 seconds. You have to give time.
Sir, you want to sit with the clock? It will be more than 40 seconds, sir. If you want to sit with the clock, it will be more than 40 seconds. Let me just play out certain bites of what the Prime Minister said on the opposition, and then I will first give you a chance to speak. Then I will go to Mr. Javandia. The Prime Minister today also, ladies and gentlemen, hit out at the opposition. The Prime Minister used a new word called Andolan Jeevi. The Prime Minister, though, said that people can protest, but somewhere the possible insinuation was that there is possibility of too much protest and similar faces standing up in every other kind of protest. Listen to what the Prime Minister said as far as the opposition is concerned.
कुछ शब्दों से बड़े परिचित है, श्रमजीवी, बुद्धिजीवी, ये सारे शब्दों से परिचित है। लेकिन मैं देख रहा हूं कि पिछले कुछ समय से इस देश में एक नई जमात पैदा हुई है, एक नई बिरादरी सामने आई है, और वो है आंदोलनजीवी। ये जमात आप देखोगे, वकीलों का आंदोलन है, वो वहां नजर आएंगे, स्टूडेंट का आंदोलन है, वो वहां नजर आएंगे, मजदूर का आंदोलन है, वो वहां नजर आएंगे, कभी पर्दे के पीछे, कभी पर्दे के आगे। एक पूरी टोली है जी, जो आंदोलनजीवी है। वो आंदोलन के बिना जी नहीं सकते हैं और आंदोलन से जीने के लिए रास्ते खोजते रहते हैं। हमें ऐसे लोगों को पहचानना होगा कि वो जो सब जगह पे पहुंच करके और बड़ा आइडियोलॉजिकल स्टैंड दे देते हैं, गुमराह कर देते हैं, नए नए तरीके बता देते हैं। देश आंदोलनजीवी लोगों से बचे, इसके लिए हम सबको, और ये उनकी ताकत है। उनका क्या है, खुद खड़ा नहीं कर सकते चीजें, किसी की चल रही तो जाके बैठ जाते हैं, वो अपना जो जितने दिन चले चल जाता है उनका। ऐसे लोगों को पहचानने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। ये सारे आंदोलनजीवी परजीवी होते हैं। और यहां पर सब लोगों को मेरी बात से आनंद इसलिए होगा कि आप जहां जहां सरकारें चलाते होंगे, आपको भी ऐसे परजीवी आंदोलनजीवियों का अनुभव होता होगा।
आंदोलन एक डेमोक्रेसी का एक हिस्सा है, लोकतंत्र का एक भाग है, तो उसको मजाक उड़ाना और इस ढंग से कहना ये ठीक नहीं है, उनको शोभा नहीं देता। लेकिन आप जो हमेशा चुनाव के वक्त तमाशे करते रहते हो, वो आप जो अपने बात को बता, फिर आज चाइना के बारे में बताना था। प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपनी बात को रखना चाहिए था, क्या करे क्या नहीं करे। हम तो सैनिकों के खिलाफ, जवानों के खिलाफ तो बात नहीं कर रहे, हम तो किसानों की बात रखे, कोविड की बात रखे।
Gopal Krishna Agarwal, for a mature democracy like India, or for a matter of fact any democracy, protests are par in the course of democracy or the journey of any democratic country. If there are people, those who feel strongly about any issue, and even if they go and protest at multiple places, for the Prime Minister of a country and for a mature democracy like India, for a government, can the government be so thin-skinned that a certain number of people, those who stand in every protest, can rattle the government and the Prime Minister has to mock them?
Ankit, we have to understand what the Prime Minister has said. Nobody is saying that the people don't have a right to protest, but there has to be a proper agenda and a roadmap for what they are protesting. I would tell one thing, the important thing is the interest of the farmer will be best served if they come on a negotiation table with the farmers. Like today, when we see that there are two issues, MSP, legalization and repeal of these farmers. Earlier, what was happening, the middlemen in the Punjab and Haryana were not in the interest of the farmers. Similarly, the middlemen with the
सर 11 बार से बात लगातार कर रहे हैं, सेम बातें हो रही हैं, उसका कुछ समाधान तो निकल नहीं पा रहा है. That's the problem.
अरे मैं 1 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा, अंकित सुन लो तो लो. क्या बात है कि ये जो मिडिलमैन आंदोलन वाले हैं, आंदोलन जीवी, वह किसानों को सरकार के साथ नेगोशिएट करके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने नहीं दे रहे. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. What these middlemen on Andolan GV, what the Prime Minister said, are doing is, are not letting the farmers' interest and government interest aligned talk together and resolve the issue. They just want to continue the movement. They just want to continue the agitation. And on that farmers' distress or farmers' agitation, many vested interest people are piggybacking, even Congress, AAP, and other political parties and Western and foreign vested interests.
Mr. Javandia, what do you make of this statement made by the Prime Minister on Andolan GV? Basically, the Prime Minister saying that these are parasites, those who are only using the farmers' movement for their own political benefit.
In one way, he is criticizing the democratic rights of the every citizen to oppose the policies which he doesn't like. Sir, our Prime Minister is very specialized in coining the words. See, he has coined one frame for the cotton farmers, 5F formula. Farm, fiber, fabric, fashion, foreign. What happens to cotton farmers since last 6 years? The cotton prices are going down, the cloth prices are going up, the profit of mill industry is increasing. So he is very specialized in that sense.
So
now see this, Mr. Agrawal is saying, just a minute, Mr. Agrawal, just a minute.
Hold on, sir,
Mr.
hold on.
Agrawal is saying,
hold on. Let him complete. Yes,
there will
quickly.
be no market forces, there will be no fluctuation in the commodity prices.
Please,
it will be
Sir, let him complete, sir. Unnecessary. Mr. Javandia, please carry on. Sir, Mr. Javandia, please carry on. Conclude your point, sir. I'm out of time now.
So, Ankit, you will have to...
See, Mr. Agrawal is saying
not balancing the time.
that this was not the question of MSP. See, Prime Minister has himself said that MSP was not legalized during Congress regime also. Yes, I accept that. But now you are having these 3 laws and farmer is demanding that introduce MSP in these 3 laws. Nobody will purchase below MSP. If anybody purchase below MSP, government should take the responsibility, and that is what the the aim of Lal Bahadur Shastri was in forming CSCP.
I will request you, Gopal Bhai, because I'm completely out of time, I'm sorry I can't come for a rebuttal. I gave both of you two questions each and I gave both of you time to respond to that. If you want, you can go back. I'll send you a recording on exactly how much time I gave. So please don't ever accuse me of not being balanced when I debate, sir. That is something that I keep very, very high in my entire debating program. Thank you so much, sir. I am completely out of time. I have to take a break. Coming back, there is a lot of political happening as far as Chennai is concerned. Sasikala has been released. She is reaching Chennai.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.